Hello unique people, this is Unique Makeovers DIYs. Welcome to my unique YouTube channel where you get to share unique ideas and technique. So today I'll just do a simple tutorial on how to record invoices and payments in QuickBooks. So it's simple. So in front of you here, you can see this is my QuickBooks page. Yeah, this is my sample file that we're going to use today. So you can see up here there are different pages, there are files, edit, view, list, favorite company, VAT, customer, suppliers, employees, banking, reports, windows, and help. So to record an invoice, what you do is you go to the customers field here. This is a customers field. You just click onto it. Then there's a drop lister. You choose on create an invoice. There. Let it open. So that's the page that opens for you to be able to create an invoice. That one here, this one. So we're going to create our first invoice. So in the first field here, you're supposed to write the customer's name. In this case, you're going to start with our first customer. Let's assume his name is Jack Mende. So there's no such a name in the list, so you have to add it. So we have created the Jack Mender. Then here you're supposed to state the date to which that invoice is dated. So we can date it 21st or 27th today, and then give that invoice a number. Based on the number, we can say 567 or 234. Then here, depending on if it's a production, or depending what it is, you're invoicing somebody for quantity, you can like state that there are 6 quantities of soap detergent. You realize that it's typing, that means there's no such an item in the list. So that means you have to add. Press enter, then say yes. Then it's going to bring this particular part here where you're required to add an item. So here you're supposed to choose whether it's a service, a non-stock, a fixed asset, other charges, or whatever. So if you're charging for, like now it's a detergent, so come and choose non-stock. Then there it will automatically record itself in item's name. Then you can come here under the description, add the name again. So detergent. Then here you can either add the price you want. Maybe it's 100 bob. Does it have any tax? Whatever, you can say yes or no. Then add the account it's going to. So this soap to you brings in some income, so it's in form of sales, so it goes to sales. There, it goes to sales. So that means sales is not part of what we have as income, so you add it. You set up sales, as income, and save and close. Then you come here and close that item. So here it automatically comes to the description based on how you recorded the description. So here we want some detergents. The quantity, there are 6, and each is 100 bob, so it's 6,000. Yeah, 6,600, I mean. So you save and close. Yeah, so that particular payment, we want to record it. So how to go about it, is still come to customers. So the first time we went to create invoice here, but this time round we're going to receive payment. We're going to receive payment from that particular client. So here the payment is talking about customer payment, so received from, so we are receiving payment from Jack Mende. You can search their variety, so I'll choose mine, Jack Mende. So the payment amount, how much is he supposed, is he paying you the entire amount that he owes? This here, you'll be able to see the total amount that he owes. It will be showing here as the customer balance. So that amount will be showing here as the customer balance. So there you can select that. You can probably say you want him to pay the entire amount of 600, and the date probably he's gonna pay it today. And reference number, if there is, if you record that payment in a receipt book, maybe there is a receipt number 123, and then you're supposed to deposit to. Where is that money going to? Is it going to the bank? Is he paying in cash? Is he paying in whatever means? So you choose that mode of payment here. The mode of payment, there could be cash or a bank, or whichever bank. You record the name and all that. So in this case, after that you press this button, save the button here, and say, you can either say save and close. If there are many more you want to record, you can say, if there are many more you want to record, you can say save a new here. There you have saved your payment. So if you want to review your payment, you can either come here, you see these two arrows. The arrow, this one that shows previous and the one that shows next. So you can check the previous record you made. That is the payment to Jack Mende and such. So in case you want to do an amendment, QuickBooks allows for amendment in it. So it's very easy to do an amendment in QuickBooks. So the only thing you need to do is come here. For instance, you recorded 600 instead of 500. Come and change the figure there and save and close. It's saying it's not balanced, so make sure it's balanced. You can say save and close or save and new. So it has recorded the change. So if you want to see it now, you can still go to previous payment, or rather you can still go to the bank and check where it went. Now you look at it and see it's okay. For instance, you made a mistake and you think that wasn't supposed to be recorded, so you come here to edit. So you want to delete the payment, just scroll down to delete the payment and just delete it. So QuickBooks allows for that. So same case, if you want to delete the invoice, you go to create the invoices, the created invoices, and check the previous one. You'll see it there. If you want to delete it, you go to edit there, then it gives you an option of delete an invoice. If it's hard for you to go through that way, you can decide to go through the reports. You go through the reports, then customers and receivables, then you go to the right side and then you'll see customer balances summaries. Then you'll see a list of so many students, so many customers there. Then we are looking for a customer, that is Jack Mende here. This is our customer here, Jack Mende. You can see the 600. You highlight, it will open the individual transaction, then you highlight it again, then it will open the invoice. So this is the invoice which you think was erroneously done, so you want to delete it. So you come here still to edit and delete it. There you go. So that is a simple way on how you record an invoice and a payment on QuickBooks. Hope this is helpful to someone, and yeah, it's gonna help somebody. So if you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe, and let's get to share this more. Thank you, and may God bless.